given is circular coil having number of turns, total number of turns, which is 30,
and radius 8.0 centimeter.
Radius is given 8.0 centimeter. You can write 8.0 into 10⁻²meter. Carrying a current of 6 ampere, current is given, which is 6 ampere,
is suspended vertically in a uniform horizontal magnetic field of magnitude
1 Tesla. Magnetic field is given, which is 1 Tesla. Here the direction of magnetic field is just like that. This is horizontal, you can say, here, here, and all this area, and the coil is suspended over here, vertical plane, just like that. This is the suspended from any thread or a wire, just like that. This is a rectangular coil carrying current this way in any direction. This is the magnetic field.
Okay. The field lines makes an angle 60 degree with the normal of the coil.
Okay. This is the plane of the coil and this is the normal of the coil. Normal of the coil is making an angle theta with the magnetic field. This angle is theta, and you know the angle between the plane of the coil and magnetic field is alpha. This is alpha, and this the given angle is theta, which is
The angle is
60 degree.
Now what the question? Calculate the magnitude of the counter torque.
You have to calculate the torque on that
Rectangular coil. Calculate the magnitude of counter torque that must be applied to prevent the coil from turning.
to prevent the coil from turning. The same torque will be developed and same torque you have to counter to keep it in the same orientation at same position. So indirectly we have to calculate the torque on the rectangular coil having current I in the magnetic field
B, which is uniform. And second one is asked, would your answer change if the circular coil in were replaced by a planar coil of some irregular shape?
अगर हम इस रेक्टेंगुलर कॉइल की जगह कोई भी इरेगुलर शेप की कॉइल रखते तो क्या हमारा आंसर चेंज होता?
Some irregular shape that encloses the same area. All other particulars are also unaltered.
That is, हमें जो भी गिवन डाटा है वो चेंज नहीं किया है, वो पूछ रहे हैं सिर्फ शेप बदलने से आंसर चेंज होगा. सो वन बाय वन कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. दिस इज टू फाइंड टाउ, दैट इज टॉर्क. सॉल्यूशन. ओके, वी हैव अ फॉर्मूला to calculate the torque, which is NIAB sin theta. Also you can write NIAB cos alpha, but they give us the angle between the normal and the magnetic field, so we use that formula which is of sin theta, NIAB sin theta, and put all the values are given. This is 36a pi r square, that is the given coil, what is the shape of the coil? The circular coil is given, so you can make the shape of that. ये शेप इसलिए बनाई ताकि इस एंगल को समझ सकें, क्योंकि we calculated the torque by taking the shape rectangular, so you can replace it by the circular coil. This is the circular coil. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is the circular coil having area pi r square, radius is given. Okay,
So I will change the shape
in the diagram. This is uniform magnetic field. And this is the circular coil, and this is the normal, and this is the angle theta. This is having current. Okay. This is the right diagram. 30, I is 6, area pi r square, 8.0 10 raised to power minus 2 into sine B. B is magnetic field, which is 1, and sine 60 degree. 630 into 6 into 3.14, 64 10 to the power minus 4 sine 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, by calculating this we will get the answer, which is 3.13 Newton meter. Newton meter is the unit of torque. This counter torque is required to keep the coil in its original position. And the second part, answer will not change because the torque do not depend upon the shape of the coil. So second part, you can write in second part, the torque will remain same whether it is a circular coil, whether it is a rectangular coil, whether it is irregular shape. So this is 4.13.